Want to make your WordPress site faster, safer, and ready for anything 2026 brings? In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up Cloudflare on your WordPress website. By the end, you'll have a site that's turbocharged for speed and protected with the latest security standards, all with just a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to use the official Cloudflare plugin, because it makes connecting your site a breeze and saves you a ton of manual work. The plugin handles things like cache purging for you, which simply means that whenever you update a post or a page, Cloudflare automatically clears out the old version, so visitors always get the freshest content. No one likes showing their readers outdated info, right? To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left, click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search box, type Cloudflare and look for the official plugin. It's published by Cloudflare Inc. Go ahead and hit Install and then Activate. That's your foundation. You've now added a direct bridge between your site and Cloudflare's powerful tools. Next up, you'll need something called an API token. Think of it like a special key that allows the plugin to talk to your Cloudflare account securely. But only for WordPress and only as much access as it needs. So open a new browser tab, head to your Cloudflare dashboard, and in the top right, click on your user profile. There's a section called API Tokens. Hit Create Token and Cloudflare will show you a couple of templates. You want the one for WordPress, just select it and follow the prompts. You might need to confirm your password or pass a quick security check. That's normal. Once you're done, copy your brand new API token and keep that tab open. Now flip back to your WordPress dashboard. From the menu, go to Settings, then look for Cloudflare. You'll see an option that says Sign in with an existing account. Enter your Cloudflare email. Paste in that API token and click Sign in. If you get a success message, you're in business. Cloudflare and your site are officially connected. Here's where Cloudflare really shines. There's a button called Apply Recommended Cloudflare Settings. Go ahead and click it. This applies a bunch of optimized settings for you, so you don't have to tinker with each one. But if you want a real speed boost, look for a feature called Automatic Platform Optimization, or APO. If your site gets a lot of traffic, or you want the snappiest experience for visitors around the globe, APO can make a big difference by caching even your site's dynamic HTML pages. There's a small fee for this if you're on a free Cloudflare plan, but it's absolutely worth considering. Let's move to some essential settings that keep your site secure and up to date with 2026's best practices. Inside your Cloudflare dashboard, check your SSL/TLS settings. Make sure encryption is set to full strict, but only if your web host provides an SSL certificate. This guarantees end-to-end encryption. Next, toggle on Always Use HTTPS under SSL/TLS Edge certificates. This setting automatically redirects any visitor, even if they type in HTTP by accident, to the encrypted version of your site. Now let's optimize for speed. Under the Speed section, look for Optimization. Enable Auto Minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This basically strips out unnecessary characters, making your site's code smaller and faster to load. While you're there, make sure Brotli is turned on. It's a powerful compression algorithm that shaves extra kilobytes off your pages without you lifting a finger. And that's it. You've just set up Cloudflare on your WordPress site and tuned it for peak performance and security. If any step was confusing, just rewind or ask below. I read every comment and I'm happy to help. If this video helped you out, hit like, drop a comment with your questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more up-to-date WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and here's to a faster, safer website.